Hey guys, thank you so much for coming to the advanced training. Now, some of you want to create your own templates. What you have to do is go to content and then click on create template from scratch. You will see a blank Canva. The first thing you want to do is click on background. Once you click on background, search for the background or color that is your preference. Now in this scenario here, I'm going to be creating a Mexican restaurant template, and I'm going to be looking for the color red in this scenario here. So I'm going to be looking for the color that I like, and I'm going to pick this one right here. The second thing I want to do is I want to create my categories, okay? So for example, my first category will be tacos. I'm going to place it here, and what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to copy and paste this like this, and I'm going to copy and paste it one more time. This is the easiest way to structure this. Now, if I want to change the color on this, of course I can go here, change the color, and this I will change it to, let's just say, burritos. And this one I'm going to change it to drinks. Now, if I want to change the font, all I got to do is click on this and go here, and I'm able to change the font. So I'm going to pick one right here, and that's very nice. And I'm going to put a background behind this so it even stands out even more. So I'm going to put a black background, and what I want to do is I want to go to elements, and I want to click on this right here. And what I want to do is I want to put this right here behind and send it to the back. Now you can also, if you prefer, you can actually change this to black by clicking here, and you can also change this to white if you like. Oh, that looks even better. There you go. Okay. And I'm going to turn this to black, make this black as well. And I'm going to copy and paste this, send it to the back. I'm going to copy and paste this, send it to the back. There you go. Now, if you have a specific color that you want to, you want to get a specific color, all you have to do is just click on this pen right here. And you can go to the exact color wherever it is on their screen here, okay? And you're able to get that exact color, just like that. Now I'm showing you this as an example so that you may use it for your own purpose. So now that we have our categories, the next thing we want to do is click on text, and I'm going to put here the item. I'm going to create the items, and I'm going to call this a veggie tacos. And I'm also going to put the price. Let's just say I put $6.95. And what I want to do here is I want to stretch this in a way, okay, and make it small or big. So if you want to change the size of this, all you have to do is just click on the side right here. As soon as you see that little arrow, you can extend it to whatever you want. So you can make it as small or as big as you want. Now, let's just put this right here. And let's change the color, okay? Now what I want to do is I want to change the, oh, that's nice. So I'm going to change this font, and I'm going to place this here. So I'm going to take this little dot off of here. And what I want to do at this point is I want to create that structure. So I want to copy and paste this, okay? I'm going to copy and paste it again. And then I want to copy and paste this whole thing. So this is the easiest way to create a structure. And I want to grab all of this, copy and paste, bring it here. And I'm going to copy and paste and bring it here. Now, of course, if you want to change this to something else, for example, this is veggie tacos, and the next one is, I don't know, great tacos, okay? You can do that as well. So you can easily change the name just like that. Now, what you want to do is, let's just say you want to bring some objects or you want to fill it up a little bit, you can do that as well. In our system, go to Elements, okay? And go to Illustration. And in this scenario here, we're looking for a Mexican object. So I'm gonna grab this hat right here. I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna make it small. And I'm gonna bring it right over here. Bam, just like that. You can also go to Photos. You can go to Stock Photos, or you can go to the Food Photos. In this scenario here, I'm gonna grab this tacos right here, and I'm gonna bring the taco right here. Of course, I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller just so that it matches everything. And I'm gonna go back to Elements, and I will bring this thing right here. Now, how easy is that, guys? Like, seriously. This will look phenomenal on your screen. Now, when you're ready to send this to your screen, all you have to do is click on Update Template, save, and publish. And once it uploads, it will give you the option to choose the screen that you want to send it to. In this scenario here, I'm going to send it to screen number 1, and I'm going to publish this. And that's it. Voila. That's how easy it is, guys. Okay? Now, if you want to be a little bit more fancy and you want to be able to do a little bit more stuff on it, for example, you want to put flames in the back, not a problem. Go to More, go to Layout right here. Click on Advanced Custom Layout. And once this blinks, click on it. Now you can add your image. So you can add multiple images. So in this scenario here, if you want to add, I'm just giving an example here, this pizza here. And then I'm just going to choose this as an example just so you guys can see, okay? You can do that. So let's just say you want that first and then the other one. You can place that. And when you play it, look what happens here. This will play first, and then a few seconds after, I think it's about 20 seconds, I'm not sure. I think I have to check it out. After 20 seconds, the other item will change to. So let's just wait. There you go, okay? So you can do that. And you can change the timing on it, guys. So if you click on it and click on this here, you can change the timing by going here. You see how it says 12 seconds? Okay. So let's just make it 5 seconds. And then let's make this 5 seconds also. So now we're gonna play this. And after 5 seconds from here, you will see this will change to the shoes and it will be back to whatever you want. Okay? Now, that's just one example, okay? Now, if you want to add, let's say, for example, flames in the background, go back to Add Customs, Layout, and then click on it. Now, you can add a YouTube channel if you like, okay? Just by copy and pasting it here. You can add RSS feed for example, if you have any news. So for example, let's just say CNN, okay? You can do that as well. I'm not sure you want to do that on a menu like this, but you can do that, okay? And the news channel, the news will actually pop up in there. Now, in this scenario here, we're gonna actually click back on this. We're gonna delete this because that's not what we want, okay? But we're gonna add a custom layout, and this time we're gonna go into collection, okay? Once we go into collection, we're gonna click on flames. And let's just find a nice flame. You see over here, there's a plus sign, you click on it, submit, okay? Now, what you wanna do is you wanna send this to the back, okay? So if you want to send it to the back, all you got to do is set the back. Okay. Boom. Voila. Okay. And now watch. Voila. Guys, it's that easy. Okay. On the basic tutorial, I think we've covered a lot of the other stuff. And I think I've pretty much covered everything in here. You can also add weather, time, and of course your QR codes, okay, which I've explained in the basic. But I think we've pretty much covered everything. So guys, thank you so much for coming. And if you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to email or to call us. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.